Hello watermelon students, we will try a brand new recipe for watermelon. For those of you who are watermelon students and watermelon lovers, I will take a bite of this watermelon. This is a seedless watermelon, and that is about the only kind of watermelon that is available at the supermarkets here in Tennessee. They always have the seedless. Let me take a bite. They taste like any other watermelon, very, very good. And you can add some other ingredients, some that you know about, that enhance the flavor of watermelon. Peanut butter and marshmallows we know about. Marshmallows cost about $1 for a 10-ounce bag at Kroger. And the natural peanut butter, I think it's $1.15 at Aldi's for a, I don't know if that's 16 ounce or 18 ounce. It's like 19 ounce. Whatever. Nice sized jar of peanut butter. But there's other things we can add to watermelon. Watermelon also, not only is it good tasting in the summertime and made of about, I think it's 90% water. Lots of moisture in there. It has good wholesome ingredients that are supposedly very good for your health. Actually, this one's good for my health because I'm eating it. But I recommend it not only as a fun food, tasty food, but a healthy food, healthful food. And for some reason, watermelon usually seems to be cooler than the air temperature around it. Making our 4 tunnels here. One and 15/16 inches diameter. And we know that's a good size for marshmallows if I were going to use marshmallows today, which I will not be. It's also a good size for our other ingredients. I think watermelon is the closest taste to candy of any food. And I am trying to grow some watermelons. See what happens. I got 2 different plants out of that. Actually, I guess there's probably more like 4 plants all squeezed in together. And watermelon needs lots of space. Needs space probably 10 feet in diameter. Tennessee has a lot of space. Did you know that Tennessee borders 8 states? Borders Kentucky, North Carolina, Virginia, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Missouri, and something else. Let's see what it does border here. Kentucky, Virginia, North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Missouri. Tennessee is a long state sideways. My subscriber rate is going up. A lot of you will be new subscribers. YouTube has been featuring one of my videos. It's been doing quite well. When I last looked at my total subscribers, it was 127,000, I think. 117,237. So it's going up at a rapid rate. And I will get my silver play button probably within the next few days. Let's add one of our new secret ingredients. I'll show you the two secret ingredients I'm going to use. Just right here. One of them is M&M's. These have almonds. Now if you're allergic to peanuts, you might also be allergic to almonds, so this won't be for everybody. But if you're allergic to peanuts and almonds, there will still be two other ingredients, the marshmallows and the next ingredient I'll show you that you can use with watermelon to enhance the flavor of watermelon. And by the way, M&M's, I had some of my friends at Spice School, some of the detectives there, do a bit of investigating and found out that M&M's are not actually M&M's. They ran a spell check on them and found out that they're W's and W's for watermelon. So they do go good with watermelon. We'll use these here in a minute. And the other thing we'll use with watermelon, which is okay for anyone who has a peanut allergy, I believe, Oreos. Oreo cookies, and they open from this pull tab right here. You just pull this and it opens up, and there's the Oreo, and we will fit the Oreo down into the 1 15/16 inches diameter hole, and we'll fit it into another 1 15/16 inches diameter hole, and we'll fit it in another Oreo here. Put it in here and get it out of here. And then we'll put some, let me get this watermelon bit out of here, I will destroy the evidence. Quite good. And let's put in some M&M's. M&M has one of these resealable bags. Take a few little M&M's, put them into each of the tunnels that are made into the watermelon. There we go. And anyway, as I was saying, my subscriber base is increasing, and it is quite possible, there's no way of knowing until we watch for the next few months, it is possible I could get to a point where I have 1 million subscribers by sometime in 2020. It is definitely a possibility. Here's some more watermelon. And an Oreo. This is good. And with the M&M, which is a W&W. These flavors go together well. You will love them if you are a kid up to age 80 at least, I know. I can speak with confidence about that. I think if you're up to age 103, you'll probably enjoy this. Do we have any viewers? Leave in the comments who are over 80. The M&M almond really adds a lot of not only flavor but a crunchiness to the watermelon. Watermelon is definitely one of my favorite foods. Watermelon, pizza, spaghetti, maybe not together. Another Oreo cookie. You know you want to try this. Before I started this video, I checked the Social Blade, socialblade.com, where you can enter the name in the search bar. You can enter the name of any YouTube channel and find out how many subscribers they have, how many total views they have, and so on. And there's a link in the middle, slightly left of center in the lower part of the page at Social Blade, where you can click on the word live, L-I-V-E, on anyone's page, and you can watch the numbers change. PewDiePie was at right around 96 million when I started making this video. T-Series was right around 99 million. And I was 117,000 and loving it. That's a high number. A year ago, I was probably about 25,000 subscribers. But it seems there's a watermelon audience, watermelon students, those who love the delicious flavor of watermelon. And those who like to watch as the boundaries of watermelon eating are expanded. This is good. Watermelon, if you read the different information on the internet, medical advice by doctors, watermelon is considered to be a healthful food which might have some anti-cancer properties. But even if it was not so helpful, still tastes good. When I get my silver play button very soon, I think, I will of course make a video. I have 3 or 4 videos I want to make, but I'm waiting for the silver play button first. Watermelon, Oreos, and W's or M&M's. Good combination. Thank you for watching.